Ball bearings. Ooh, yeah, that one's hot. So I've been finding that water works better than oil when drilling in aluminum. So if anyone knows a reason to tell me I'm an idiot for thinking that, or can fill me in on a better way, let me know. Of course, I don't have the right length screws. That's better. Two down, 7 more to go. At some point in time, someone's going to ask me how many ball bearings are on this robot, and I'm going to say some ridiculous number like 250 or something. Just so you know, there's 18 just on this piece. So I've gotten to this point in the project where I don't remember when I started and I can't really see the end. It's kind of like this dark zone where I don't know what's going on. And I'm just kind of trusting that when I told myself to build all these ridiculous pieces like this, that I was smart and knew what I was doing. Yeah. Alright, back to work.